Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2021 230 Solstice by Harris. This 2021 230 Solstice by Harris is in the blue with the silver accent. Has the nice flip down stainless steel cleats, docking lights. Has a full length metal door stop. Ample bow seating with stainless steel cup holders on each side. Flip down armrest. Nice detail in the upholstery. Large ski locker. Glove box. Tilt steering wheel with upgraded stereo. Large touchscreen Simrad chart plotter. Has the large lounge seat, rear gate, new for 2021 are the fender holders in the rear. We also have a large stainless steel 4-step boarding ladder powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke engine, ski tow bar, cup holders, stereo remote control, and additional power source for your cell phones. This has the dual captain chairs. By MarineMax Lake Norman. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.